Take command of the road in the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.